Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a bank that's been making a lot of noise lately, Starling Bank. Now, you might be wondering, is Starling Bank even a real bank? Well, that's a great question, and one I'll be diving into in this video. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's take a step back and talk about what a bank really is. Think about it, a bank is like a safe haven for your money, right? It's where you deposit your hard-earned cash, and where you can withdraw it when you need it. Banks also offer a variety of other services, like loans, credit cards, and investment accounts. So, with that in mind, let's get back to Starling Bank. Is it a real bank? Well, yes and no. Technically, Starling Bank is a digital bank, which means it doesn't have any physical branches. Instead, it operates entirely online through its mobile app and website. This makes it a lot more convenient for people who are always on the go. But even though Starling Bank doesn't have any physical locations, it's still a fully regulated bank. It's authorized by the Prudential Regulation Authority, PRA, and the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, which are the two main financial regulators, one in the UK. So, you can rest assured that your money is safe with Starling Bank. So, now that we know that Starling Bank is a real bank, let's take a look at some of the things that make it stand out from the crowd. One of the biggest advantages of using Starling Bank is that it's incredibly easy to set up an account. You can do it all online in just a few minutes. Once you're up and running, you'll have access to a range of features, including a free current account with no monthly fees, a virtual debit card that you can use to make online purchases, a physical debit card that you can use to make in-store purchases, the ability to set up direct debits and standing orders, the ability to track your spending and budgeting, the ability to save money in pots, the ability to send and receive money internationally. Another thing that makes Starling Bank unique is its commitment to sustainability. The bank is carbon neutral, and it's also a member of the UN Principles for Responsible Banking. This means that Starling Bank is committed to doing its part to protect the environment. So, is Starling Bank a good choice for you? Well, that depends on your individual needs and circumstances. But if you're looking for a convenient, affordable, and sustainable banking option, then Starling Bank is definitely worth considering. And there you have it, a quick overview of Starling Bank. I hope this video has helped you to understand whether or not it's the right bank for you. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance and banking. Thanks for watching. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.